Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is free. You can sit here.
Thank you. It's hard to find an empty bench today.
Yes, many people are here this morning.
True. By the way, I'm Rahul.
Oh, nice to meet you, Rahul. I'm Sara.
Nice to meet you too, Sara.
Do you often come to this park?
Not really. I just come sometimes to relax, and you?
Same here. I don't come every day, only sometimes.
I see. Today the park feels very peaceful.
Yes, the trees, the birds, everything is so calm.
Haha. Yes, I like the fresh air here, better than sitting at home.
True, sitting here feels nice.
So, Sara, which year are you studying now?
I'm in my second year English department.
Oh, nice. So you love literature and language.
Yes, I enjoy reading novels and poems. English is my favorite subject.
Wow, English feels so hard for me. I can't speak well.
Don't worry, many students feel the same. Which subject are you studying?
I'm in commerce, but honestly, English is the most difficult subject for me.
I see, but look, you're speaking with me now. That means you are learning.
But very slowly. Sometimes I feel shy to speak.
It's normal. Everyone feels shy in the beginning. Even I was nervous before.
Really, but now you speak very well.
Thank you. That's only because I practice every day, reading, listening, and speaking.
Maybe I should also practice like that.
Yes, we can talk sometimes. That will help you improve faster.
Wow, really? That would be great.
Of course. English becomes easier when we use it in daily life.
Okay. Then from today, you are my English partner.
Deal. English partners in the park.
Wow, the park is really busy today.
Yes, it looks like everyone decided to come out this morning.
I noticed some people jogging, some walking dogs, lots of activity.
Haha, yes, and the birds are chirping everywhere. It feels lively.
True. Did it rain yesterday? The grass looks so fresh.
Yes, it rained a little. That's why the air feels so clean.
I like this. It's different from sitting at home all day.
Exactly, even a short walk here makes the day better.
I also saw some kids playing football near the fountain.
Oh yes, they come here every morning. It's fun to watch.
Reminds me of when I used to play football with my friends at school.
Really? You must have been very active then.
Yeah. We played almost every day. Those were simple, fun times.
I love hearing that. Sometimes simple things make the best memories.
True. By the way, do you come here at the same time every day?
Not always, but I like mornings when it's peaceful. How about you?
Same. It's a nice break from routine. Also, meeting someone new is a bonus.
Yes, talking to someone while enjoying the park makes it even better.
Hey, look, that man is feeding the pigeons.
Oh yes, they're gathering so quickly. The birds really like him.
They seem to recognize him. I've never seen birds act like that.
Birds are smart. They remember people who feed them.
I wish I could feed them too, but I don't have any food.
Don't worry. Maybe next time you can bring some bread or seeds.
Yeah, that would be fun. Also, look at that kid trying to fly a kite.
He's struggling. The wind is strong today.
True, but it's cute how he doesn't give up. Reminds me of my little cousin.
Yes, kids are full of energy. Their small efforts always make you smile.
Exactly. Seeing them makes the morning better. I feel happy just watching.
Same here. Parks are nice. Not just for walking, but for little surprises like this.
Haha. Yes, small things make big memories. Wow, Time flew by so quickly, I didn't realize it's already late morning.
Yes, talking and watching around makes time pass fast.
I really enjoyed this. I feel relaxed now.
Me too. It's nice to take a break from home and work.
Maybe we can come again tomorrow. Same bench, same time?
Sure, I'd like that. English partners and park buddies.
Ha, exactly. Also, we can talk more about real-life things tomorrow.
Yes, I like that. Simple conversation, no stress.
Okay. Then see you tomorrow, Sarah. Have a nice day.
You too, Rahul. Take care.
Died.
Bye.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.